Happy Thursday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz. Get ready for a really nice stretch of weather. Even though it's only going to last a couple of days before rain returns, it's really going to be a nice stretch. So if you don't have any weekend plans, maybe you are making plans to go see the tulips or even the cherry blossoms, really going to be nice for that, at least to start. So tomorrow and Saturday, we're going to be nice and mild. We'll have sunny skies, but showers will return to the forecast starting Sunday and into next week. And the reason why we're going to be so nice and we're going to clear things out, because we are going to have this ridge building. It's going to amplify over the area and essentially peak over the next 48 hours. So tomorrow, Saturday, going to be the warmest, but then we head into Sunday, and that's when it begins to move more to the east, and that's going to open the window, open the door for a frontal system to move in, and that's going to send more showers over the area, and it's going to stay pretty unsettled starting Sunday and into next week. But until then, today we'll have clearing skies, temperatures close to where they should be this time of year. Into Friday and Saturday, we are going to have sunshine, more clouds on Saturday, but still quite nice. And into next week, we'll have temperatures back down to where they should be in the mid and upper 50s. But then by Wednesday, model guidance shows the potential that we get another ridge of high pressure building in. That would help dry us out once again. Here's a look from this morning from our Queen Anne camera looking toward downtown. You see some blue sky above, and then the University of Washington camera. You can see the cherry blossoms still peak bloom. You still have time to go and check them out. Today will be one of those days. Once we get rid of the clouds, temperatures will warm up nicely into the mid 50s to our north. The islands, Camano Island, about 54 degrees, Marysville 57, Linwood in the mid 50s as well, and closer to the foothills in the east side, we'll have temperatures generally in the mid and upper 50s. It's almost copy and paste at this point. You see upper 50s for the South Sound, Southwest Interior. We'll have mid and upper 50s, near 60 closer to the state line. Then we get closer to the Olympic Peninsula, and you see mid 50s for most, and then for portions of Hood Canal, mid and upper 50s. So you see the trend there. In terms of our overnight temperatures, it is going to be quite cold. We'll have temperatures below normal. This time of year, our low should be about 41 degrees, give or take. And tonight, with clear skies and light winds, that's going to help cool us down into the mid and upper 30s, and then a couple of lower 40s out there. Tomorrow, once again, we're going to have milder conditions. We may have some areas of low clouds or some fog to start, but then we'll clear things out. Mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid 60s. But then we just get even warmer into Saturday by a couple of degrees. This is when we're going to have a decent shot to have a couple of upper 60s to maybe about 70 degrees. In terms of the timing of the clouds to clear, it's going to be more so into the afternoon. Then we'll have mostly sunny skies, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. We're mostly dry and mostly clear overnight. But then Friday, we'll have some high clouds, but still going to be really nice. Saturday, more clouds will begin to stream in, some high clouds. We'll have mid-level clouds. And then I mentioned that frontal system will begin to move its way in as that ridge starts to move to the east. And showers could move into at least the Olympic Peninsula, maybe closer to the coast, as early as Saturday night, but most of it will move in by Sunday. So Sunday is going to be that day where we start to see those big changes. This is the European model, so it is a lower resolution model. As we get closer to the weekend, over the next 12, 24 hours, we'll have those high resolution models, and it will tell us, and it will be able for us to fine tune the exact timing. But this is Sunday, midday, mid-morning, mid to late afternoon. You see, it kind of paints the picture of what we can expect. Most of the rain over the Olympic Peninsula, and then it slowly drifts to the east as the day goes on. We're not expecting any severe weather with this, but we could get at least some good and beneficial rain out of this as we head into the new work week. Through Wednesday night, Model guidance shows the potential for some decent snow, but keep in mind this is also the low resolution models, but it shows that potential as our snow levels come back down to near pass level. We could get a couple of inches of snow up in the mountains. In terms of rain totals, you see the highest rain totals are going to be over the Olympic Peninsula, which is common and very normal. And then closer to Puget Sound, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, especially if we get a convergence shower setting up into next week. But once again, once we get rid of the clouds today, it's really going to be nice. Hopefully you have some plans. And then Friday, Saturday, going to be the brightest, the warmest. Saturday will just have more clouds in place. But then Sunday into Monday, temperatures start to go down once again, and then we'll have some showers daily into next week. You can always find the latest on king5.com as well as King 5 Plus. Really going to be a good tool to have over the next couple of days as we fine tune that forecast for you. And you can always find the latest written forecast on king5.com.